This is a quick guide to designing 2D GS1 Data Matrix Barcode in Simple Message Editor. Launch HX Manager and proceed to Simple Message Editor. Select Barcode from the drop-down menu and click the barcode setting. In the new display, select GS1 Data Matrix, then start adding the message or the value of the barcode. Click on the Source tab and enter the AI code. These are the AI code and their equivalent data title. 01 is GTIN, 17 is expiry, 10 is batch/lot, 240 is additional ID, and 21 is serial. Based on the AI code, the value or the data title will automatically appear. You can adjust the data title or the source based on your requirement. Click the green plus sign once editing the data is completed. Follow the same process with other messages. Adjust the width and alignment. And tick off both human readable text and multi-line. When you are not using the data source, disable it by clicking the X sign. Now send the message to the printer. For more information, please contact technical@maplejet.com.